We get more information on the technology of the featured Galaxy fingerprint scanners, and we're not just talking about the Galaxy S10. It seems that Microsoft is actually working on its own smartphones powered by Android. Yes, you heard that right. And Amazon's Prime Day is live, so get your wallets ready, we've got some deals. I'm Jaime Rivera, and if you're from France, definitely congratulations on the World Cup. If you're from Croatia, oh my God, your team is amazing, and it's proven itself all throughout the World Cup. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Amazon Prime Day is live today, and there are some awesome deals and also a few tricks you should know of. Definitely, you need a Amazon Prime account for it to work. We've got deals on the Microsoft Surface Book 3 in addition to iPad Pros, headphones, you name it. But remember, there are deals every 6 hours, and obviously up until supplies last. You can learn more about the full list of what's live in the link in the description. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 2 XL, that phone that keeps on bringing more issues and still has one of the best cameras of the year. We've got users already complaining on social media of the camera not working, just out of the blue for no reason whatsoever. And what's most interesting is that Google is responding to tweets. They're saying, yes, we acknowledge the issue. Yes, we're working on it. So you're not alone, but I can't tell you when it's going to get fixed. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about Apple's MacBook Pro since we're talking about complaints. If you remember, the butterfly mechanism was one of the biggest issues that most MacBook Pro users were complaining about. The company has now added a new silicone layer to separate the keys with the butterfly mechanism. Mainly, it could be to avoid any lint or dirt to get in there. Makes a lot of sense. It seems that this is one of the main changes that will avoid any issues to your keyboard. Still, whoever has a former MacBook Pro like I do, you're still covered for 3 years, but yeah, it seems that's going to be the change. Now let's move the spotlight over to Microsoft, as an anonymous Microsoft employee has just tipped that the company is working on Android phones. Yes, the Nokia X, no, not the Nokia X, but you get the picture. The company is bringing its own approach to Android, but we're not exactly sure if this is a forked version of Android, like Nokia X, or if this is Android running on all the Microsoft apps that we've seen launched. I would definitely love it to be more of, typical Android and then it running Android apps, but we'll see. We've already got a Microsoft launcher in addition to other apps. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy lineup. Not just the Galaxy S10, we're hearing even the Galaxy A lineup is going to be benefited by the on-display fingerprint scanner provided by none other than Qualcomm. And these rumors come from none other than Ming-Chi Kuo. I'm glad that we're not just getting Apple rumors here. Yeah, on-display fingerprint scanner provided by Qualcomm. There are orders for up to 10 million units, and it seems that these are still continuing. Hopefully the Galaxy S10 will be that phone that will launch this, but in today's question, let us know. Given the disparity, I mean, you see Apple going to, everything, unlock your phone with your face, and now we see Samsung pushing everything to on-display fingerprint scanners, and we don't know anything about on-display, face unlock biometrics. What do you think? What do you prefer? What approach is your favorite? In my case, I mean, it depends. For me, I love face unlock in the winter, because I can't be taking my gloves off to unlock my phone. But I love the versatility of the fingerprint scanner, so I'm kind of mixed. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our Pocketnow Diario, this video in Spanish, down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.